During the Han Dynasty, Zhang Liang, an advisor to Liu Bang, met an old man who asked for help with his shoes. Zhang Liang assisted him, and the man, claiming to be Huang Shigong, rewarded him with a military strategy book, saying it would help him achieve greatness. Following the old man's instructions, Zhang Liang returned 10 years later and found the old man still there. He returned the book, claiming to have learned from it. The old man told him that with this knowledge, he could achieve anything he desired. Zhang Liang thanked the old man and assisted Liu Bang in establishing the Han Dynasty, becoming a renowned statesman. This story illustrates that with noble aspirations and diligent study, one can fulfill their wishes, embodying the idea of as one wishes. During the Warring States period, a war broke out between Zhao and Qi. Zhao's general, Zhao Kuo, was arrogant and rash, while Qi's general, Bai Qi, was experienced and capable. Bai Qi, knowing Zhao Kuo's tendency to underestimate his enemies, constructed a large camp at Changping and concealed his elite forces outside, waiting for the right moment to strike. Seeing the Qi camp, Zhao Kuo mistakenly assumed Qi's army was weak and ordered a full-scale attack. However, Bai Qi's elite troops ambushed Zhao Kuo, leading to a disastrous defeat for Zhao. Zhao Kuo was captured by Bai Qi, and Zhao suffered a loss of 400,000 soldiers. This battle, known as the Battle of Changping, illustrates the importance of seizing opportunities and taking proactive measures. During the Warring States period, Jichang from Zhao aspired to master archery and sought Fei Wei as his mentor. Fei Wei instructed Jichang to first train his eyesight diligently by observing his wife weaving cloth. Jichang devoted himself to watching his wife's fingers on the fabric, gradually enhancing his visual acuity. Fei Wei then directed Jichang to perceive small objects as larger ones, refining his focus. Only after comprehensive eye training did Fei Wei teach Jichang archery techniques. Consequently, Jichang became an exceptionally accurate archer, hitting the mark with every shot. This story highlights the importance of a systematic approach in the skill acquisition, starting from the basics and progressing gradually to more complex tasks, encapsulating the principle of step-by-step progress.